In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract and export data from DeepSeek. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right page, start the process, and securely download your data in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press enter. You'll see a list of results. Click on the official DeepSeek website from the list. This ensures you're in the right place before you proceed. When the site loads, look for the language option and switch it to English. This makes the interface and instructions clear and consistent with what you're hearing now. Once you're set to English, click on Start Now. This takes you into the main application interface where your profile and settings are available. Inside the interface, look toward the lower left corner for your profile area. Click on your profile to open the menu associated with your account. From there, choose Settings. This is where DeepSeek organizes account preferences and controls related to your data. Within Settings, look for the section labeled Data. Go ahead and click on Data to open the tools that manage what you can export. In the Export Data section, click on Export. This action begins preparing your data package. Depending on how much content you have, it might take a moment. It's normal to see a brief delay while the export is being created. Once the export is ready, you'll see an option to download it. Click on Download to save the file to your device. Most browsers will show the progress and confirm when the download finishes. If you don't see anything happening immediately, give it a second or two as the file may be generating or your connection may be catching up. To find your download, check the upper right corner of your browser for the Downloads indicator. Click on that icon to view your recent downloads and locate the file you just saved from DeepSeek. If you prefer, you can also open your system's default downloads folder to find it there. Keep this file in a safe place, as it contains a snapshot of your data. If you're organizing backups, consider adding a clear name or date so you can recognize it later. That's the full process from start to finish. Search DeepSeek, open the site, switch to English, select Start Now, go to your profile, open Settings, click Data, choose Export, download the package, and locate it in your browser's Downloads area. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.